This is our triangular slope drip line display. What we're going to do is do a comparison between the XFS-CV with the check valve and copper to the XFD or any product that's a non-check valve product. So we'll go ahead and turn on the system. Now, our operation indicator stake shows that we have at least 20 psi, which will run all these drippers. And again, this is the check valve, the XFS-CV. It will check water up to 10 feet in height, which means every emitter will go off at the same time when the system depressurizes and turns off. We look at the XFD side. This side does not have a check valve and will continue to drain until the water is completely out of the dripper line. So what I'll do is I will turn this off. And again, this is a fairly short demo. You'll see right now everything continues to run. They're all at 0.6 gallon per hour emitter. And there's 3 per drip line on each elevation. With the operation indicator stake, it shows there's still pressure in the line at probably about 20 psi. So until that lowers, things will continue to run or the pressure reduces. We'll take a look at the check valve side. We'll already see that the emitters are shutting off. In fact, all of them at the same time. And there'll be the same amount of water in every cup. So we'll go to the other side now that the operation indicator stake has completely gone down, and we'll see that on the top the water's pretty much stopped. On the middle row you'll see it's still running, and then on the base it's running also. Each cup after a period of 10 to 20 minutes will have a different amount of water, the least amount on the top row and the most on the base. And you can already see, even though these have the same flow rate, each dripper line, you can see that the non-check valve versus the check valve are different amounts of water. So what are the advantages here? One, with XFS-CV, a check valve product, you do not have low emitter drainage, which promotes better and more consistent plant growth and deters erosion. Where on the non-check valve side, it continues to drain, which means inconsistent watering and more water at the base or toe of the slope. Again, this is our triangular slope drip line display.